Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Indian English Master. So friends, today I am here to help you with how we can give our self-introduction in job interviews or in any other opportunities like class, coaching, school, right? College, any other opportunities. We will be following these simple tips or simple steps to give our introduction step by step. Let me begin. First thing, greeting and thank you. Like, good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Second one, name. My name is Shubham Kumar. Next one, age. I am 26 years old. Then location. I am from Ranchi city in the state of Jharkhand. You can add state here. And then next one, education and qualification. We have to add over there. Recently, I completed my graduation in English Honors from Nilambar Pitambar University. So in English Honors, the field, you have to speak about yours. And from the university, you can add your own university. Next one, currently what you are doing. You can add here. So presently, I am pursuing my master's degree in the same field from the same university. Right? Next one is presently what you are doing, your occupation, your job, right? So presently, at the present time, I work as an English teacher. This is the thing. And next one, we can add experience from that job. I have got more than 5 years of experience in teaching field, in the field, right? Next one, these strengths, qualities, achievements, we can talk skills or strengths, right? So I would say, I am hardworking, creative, self-motivated, determined and dedicated to my goals. From here, next one is goal. We have to talk about our goals. We can say, in my case, I would say, my goal is to become a successful, effective or inspiring teacher dedicated to making learning very simple and meaningful for my students. Next one, we can talk about our hobbies. Let me talk about mine. My hobbies include singing songs, watching Hollywood movies, especially in English, and spending time talking with the people in English. Okay, next one, family. A brief information about your family we can give. About mine first, I have a close-knit nuclear family of 7, including my parents, my wife and one son and 2 younger brothers. In this way we can talk about our family. And lastly, we have to end just by saying, I hope that gives you a clear understanding of my background or of me. Thank you so much for your consideration and time. Thank you very much. In this way, friends, we can remember these points and easily we can give our introduction. And one more thing we need to remember when giving the job interview, we don't have to speak about your personal information like age, family members and your hobbies. They will ask, then you can speak. Otherwise, don't do that. Okay, don't speak about your personal details or information, or only speak relevant to the job, the things which are relevant to the job, then you will be getting the job. Okay, I hope this will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if this helps, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care, keep learning and keep growing.